we are, just driving towards Nong Bua Lumpur to do a little bit of shopping at the local Global House store and a few other places. Stuff we couldn't get the other day at the Global House in Khon Kaen. And yeah, these are the roads that we've got. Let me turn the stereo down. Got a bit of D12 playing. Yeah, these are the roads we've got to take us to Nong Bua. Around about 50 kilometres. Hardly anything on them. Smooth as well. You know, not a lot of bumps, not a lot of potholes, not a lot of traffic. Still got a few big lorries about, but they generally stay in the left-hand lane. Yeah, I must say I'm not really used to having big roads like this with no traffic on. Obviously living in England or the UK, which is an island, so we're limited to space. But everywhere's limited to space in a way, right? But Thailand, up the north, just has masses of space. That's it, that's how I find it anyway. Very spacious, easy to get about, easy to navigate. We lived in Bangkok well, my wife had a house in Bangkok, and I never driven in Bangkok because it's never really appealed to me. It just looks crazy. But up here, I'm quite relaxed to be driving here. Yeah, so anyway, only a short video. Just thought we'd share that with you. Jay's holding the camera, as you can see. I'm driving. Okay, and yeah, we shall carry on. Got about another 25, almost 30 minutes to go ish, and then we'll be there. So here we are, driving along the roads of northeast Thailand, an area a lot of people know as Isan. We're heading to Nong Bua Lumpur, doing a little bit of roadworks here. There's a big hole there and they hadn't put any warning around it, but I did manage to dodge it. Some more here, look. But these roads are generally pretty good. Not a lot of traffic on them. I don't know if you can see in the distance as we come off the brow of this hill. We come off the little carriageway section. Just coming through this small Thai village. In the distance you can see the mountain range. Yeah, just overall it's a lovely part of the world. I have no problem at all driving around up here. I'm very, very comfortable driving here because there's not too much traffic. Nice and easy. Got some roadworks up here by the looks of things. Slow down for them to move the digger out of the way. There we go. Nice man's moving us on. Easy as that, and we carry on. Okay, you can see on the left hand side here they got some new paving out, what they're going to be doing. And you can see the mountain range in the distance. Yeah, definitely a lovely part of the world. If you've not been up this way, definitely come up here. Check out some of the national parks up this way. Absolutely stunning. Anyway guys, I'll stop it there and see you in another video. Cheers.